Runneth has been a total game changer. It's automating a heck of a lot more stuff that would take a lot of legwork for us, time and money. We're able to share information and data across teams way more effectively and efficiently. And what that's also doing is giving a lot more power to every single one of our team members. They feel more empowered that they have the information that they need. Because we have Runneth connected to our Slack, I'm now seeing all of our creative strategists communicate with Runneth in just natural language. And for the information that they're gathering is something that maybe takes 24 hours, 48 hours to get that information. And now they're getting it quite literally in just a couple of minutes. Some of the things that we'll ask is just like, hey, how many ads launched yesterday? Runneth now just sends it to me every single morning. How many ads launched? Which ad sets had ads launched in them? And that way we just have like a pulse check of like what's happening inside the ad account at any given time. What is beautiful with these AI tools like Runneth is 6 months from now, Runneth knows our methodology from inside and out. And that also means having connections to all other aspects of our business too, including our product reviews or customer reviews. So that way Runneth starts learning how to speak in our customers' language. So that way it fits better when it comes down to the scripts or the concepts. And we ultimately would then have better performance as well.